Welcome or welcome back. I'm Jury, and today we're going to talk about something that most people don't realize. You're not bad at style, but the way you're styling your outfits is what's making everything look off. And that's why no matter what you wear, it never looks the way you expect. Most people think, I don't have good clothes, I don't know how to dress, I need better outfits. That's not the issue. The issue is how everything is being put together, because even good pieces can look wrong when they're styled the wrong way. What styling wrong actually means. Styling wrong doesn't mean ugly clothes, bad taste, no effort. It means things don't connect. The proportions feel off, the balance is not there, the outfit doesn't flow, and your brain notices that instantly. That's why you look in the mirror and think, it's okay. But something is wrong. People don't see a lot of people do this without realizing. They pick pieces individually. This top looks nice, these pants are cute, these shoes are trending. But they never ask, do these actually work together? So the outfit becomes random, and random rarely looks polished. Why this is happening? Because most people learned fashion like this, from social media, from trends, from seeing outfits out of context. You see one outfit, you like it, you try to recreate it, but you don't see the proportions, the structure, small details. So when you wear it, it doesn't look the same. Proportion. This is one of the biggest reasons outfits fail. It's not the clothes, it's how they sit on your body. For example, oversized top plus oversized bottom, tight top, tight bottom, nothing balances. An outfit needs contrast to feel right. If everything is the same, it looks flat. Structure vs flow, another mistake. Mixing pieces that don't belong together. Like very structured blazer with something too soft or too loose, it creates tension. Not the good kind. The kind that feels off. Detail overload. Sometimes the outfit is not wrong, it's just too much. Too many details. Patterns, textures, accessories, everything is competing. And when everything stands out, nothing actually does. Buying more clothes won't fix bad styling. It just gives you more pieces to mismatch. So if your outfits don't look right, it's not because you don't have style. It's because the pieces are not working together. A lot of the time, your outfit is not obviously wrong. Everything looks fine, the pieces are good, nothing is bad, and still, it doesn't feel right. That's where the real problem is. You're styling without intention. Most people don't actually style their outfits. They assemble them. They pick a top, a bottom, shoes, and that's it. But styling is not just putting pieces together. It's deciding, what is the focus of this outfit? If everything is equal, nothing stands out, and the outfit feels flat. There's no clear direction. Another thing that happens a lot, the outfit is trying to be too many things at once. A little casual, a little dressed up, a little trendy, a little minimal. And instead of blending, it clashes. An outfit needs a clear direction, not confusion. You're ignoring how the outfit moves. This is something people don't think about. An outfit is not just how it looks standing still. It's how it moves. When you walk, when you sit, when you turn. Sometimes something looks good in the mirror, but feels wrong in real life because it doesn't move well. And your body notices that. Even if you can't explain it, you're not finishing the outfit. This is one of the biggest gaps. People wear clothes but don't finish the look. And finishing doesn't mean doing too much. It means completing the outfit. Things like hair, shoes, small details. These are what make it feel intentional. Without that, it feels incomplete. You're copying without adapting. This is subtle but important. You see an outfit online, you try to recreate it, but you don't adjust it to your body, your proportions, your lifestyle. So it ends up looking slightly off, not wrong, just not right. You're not dressing for your environment. This is a big one. An outfit can be good, but wrong for where you're going. Too dressed up, too casual, too styled. And that creates discomfort because you feel out of place. You're over-adjusting yourself. Another thing people do, you put something on, and then you keep adjusting it all day. Pulling it down, fixing it, checking it. That's a sign. If you have to keep adjusting it, it's not working. You're ignoring your instinct. This is the simplest one. You put something on and immediately feel something is off. But you ignore it. Because it looks good, someone said it looks nice, it should work. But your instinct was right. So now you see it's not big mistakes. It's small things that add up. And that's why your outfits feel off, even when everything looks okay. So now the question is not just what's wrong. It's how do you actually fix it? without overthinking everything again, because the goal is not to make styling more complicated. It's to make it feel natural again. The first shift is this: stop trying to make every piece in your closet work. Because not everything is meant to work. Some things looked good at the moment. Some things worked for a different version of you. Some things were just never right to begin with. And keeping them creates noise. Clarity doesn't come from adding more. It comes from removing what doesn't fit. Pay attention to what you actually wear. Instead of asking, what should I buy? Start noticing what you already choose without thinking. The outfits you repeat, the pieces you reach for, the combinations that feel easy. That's your answer. Not what you like online, not what you wish worked. What actually works. Build a feeling, not just an outfit. Most people try to build outfits visually, but what actually makes an outfit work is how it feels. When something is right, you don't adjust it, you don't question it, you don't think about it all day. So instead of asking, does this look good? Start asking, does this feel easy to wear? Simplify how you get dressed. You don't need to reinvent your outfit every day. You need a base, something you already trust. Not one outfit, but a type of outfit. Something like a certain fit that always works, a combination you know feels right, a structure you don't question. And from there you slightly adjust, not rebuild. Let go of perfect. One of the reasons people struggle is because they're chasing the perfect outfit, but that creates pressure, and pressure creates hesitation. Instead, aim for, this works and I feel good in it. That's enough. Because most of the time, the outfits you feel best in are not the most complicated one. Make your outfits support your day. Your outfit should make your life easier, not harder. If something slows you down, makes you uncomfortable, makes you overthink, it's not helping you. And style should help you. The right outfit disappears. It doesn't demand your attention all day. Trust what feels right. You already know more than you think. That feeling you get when something is off, it's accurate. That feeling when something just works, that's also accurate. But most people ignore it. They follow trends, opinions, expectations, instead of trusting themselves. And that's why everything feels harder than it should. What this looks like in real life, when this starts to click, you'll notice you stop changing outfits 3 times. You stop staring at your closet. You stop feeling like nothing works. You just get dressed and move on with your day. And that's what effortless actually looks like. Not perfect, just easy. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this helped you. And if you've been feeling like getting dressed has become frustrating or confusing, just know it's not because you don't have style. It's just that something hasn't been aligned. And once you start paying attention to what actually works for you, everything becomes simpler. You can always come back to this video whenever you feel stuck, reset, look at your outfits differently, and go back to what feels right. Take your time with it. You don't need to change everything overnight. Just start removing what doesn't work and keep what does. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and just be you. Ciao!